If you're like me, you're probably tired of living paycheck to paycheck, and you're looking for ways to earn some extra income online. The good news is that it's never been easier to start a side hustle, and I'm excited to share some easy options with you that can help you get started. So let's dive into some easy side hustle options that are perfect for beginners. One option is online surveys. You can sign up for websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie and earn money for completing surveys in your spare time. It's not going to make you rich, but it's a great way to earn some extra cash on the side. Another option is selling products online through platforms like eBay or Amazon. You can start by selling items you no longer need or finding cheap products to resell. It's a great way to declutter your home and earn some extra money at the same time. You can also monetize your skills by offering services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Whether you're a writer, designer, or social media manager, you can offer your services to clients and start earning money online. One side hustle that I want to highlight is affiliate marketing. I've had a lot of success with this one, and I think it's a great option for beginners. Basically, you promote products or services of other companies and earn a commission on any sales generated through your unique referral link. It's a great way to earn extra income online, and it's something that you can easily do in your spare time. So let's recap the side hustles we've covered. We've got online surveys, selling products online, freelance services, and affiliate marketing. These are all easy options that can help you earn extra income online, and they're perfect for beginners. If you're new to making money online, I want to encourage you to take action. Don't be afraid to try new things, and don't be discouraged if you don't see results right away. Keep going, keep learning, and most importantly, keep taking action. And hey, if you're excited to try out one of these side hustles, let me know in the comments below. What's the one side hustle that you're most excited to try? And if you want more tips on making money online, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.